Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging method for your headphone Sony Pulse 3D. So the first one is to use a USB-C to USB-C cable. So just connect USB-C to your PlayStation and the second one to your headphones and it's charging. The second one is to use a USB-C to USB-A cable right here. So just connect USB-A cable to your PlayStation and USB-C to your headphones, and it also charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!